day Dasara festival began with a traditional ceremony on Mysuru's Chamundi hill. This world-famous Dasara celebration began with Chief Minister Siddharamaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar performing Agra Puja for Goddess Chamundeshwari. Renowned music director Nada Brahma Hamsalekha inaugurated the event by lighting a lamp and offering prayer to the Goddess Chamundeshwari. The chief priest of Chamundi Hill, Shashishekara Dikshit, offered the traditional prayers and prayed for good rains across the country. The ceremony was attended by a number of dignitaries, including the minister in charge of the Mysuru district, H.C. Mahadevappa, MLA G.T. Devegowda, and others. Chief Minister Siddharamaiah said that despite the drought, the Dasara celebrations are taking place in a traditional and meaningful way. He also emphasized the government's commitment to implementing income generation guarantees. In his speech, D.K. Shivakumar, the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, praised Goddess Durga and the cultural importance of Dasara. He urged people to pray for a good monsoon in the upcoming year.
ದುಃಖವನ್ನ ದೂರ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ದೇವಿ ದುರ್ಗಾದೇವಿ. ಆ ದುರ್ಗಾದೇವಿಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ದೇವಿ, ನಾವು ಆ ದೇವಿಯ ಸನ್ನಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮತ್ತು ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಅನೇಕ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಂಪರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನ ಬಿಂಬಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೋಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಳೆ ಬೆಳೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು, ನಾಡಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಜನಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಈ ಗ್ರಾಮ, ಈ ನಾಡಿನ ದೇವತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Meanwhile, the music director Hamsalekha emphasized the importance of preserving the Kannada language and culture and bringing it to a global audience. During the Dasara inauguration, the Chief Minister also unveiled the statue of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in Mysuru. Traditional Sharan Navratri pujas were also observed at the palace in a private darbar with Yaduvir Krishnadatta Chamraja Vadiyar ascending the gem-studded golden throne and following the royal traditions. Additionally, the state-level Dasara Nada Kushti competition also started in the Exhibition Authority premises in Mysuru. The Grand Dasara celebration will continue until October 24th under strict police security in Mysuru. The famous Mysuru Palace will be lit with 1 lakh lights from 7 pm to 10 pm on all days of the festival. On the last day, the traditional Jambu Savari, the elephant procession, will take place with the idol of Goddess Chamundeshwari being carried from the palace on a gold mandapa. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital to follow the Dasara celebrations coverage.